Hey guys, look, the background. The Pulong Airport. And Philippine Airlines, let's go! Let's go and explore! Woo! See you on the next full video. Will be uploading my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Manila Airport, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Waiting for my next flight. See you on my full vlog on my YouTube channel.
Wake up now, already cameras on. Here on Filipino vlogger, we go all out, come on.
A few moments later.
Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Welcome. Songkran. I can't wait to join the Songkran. Stay tuned on my vlog, people, because we will gonna join Songkran. Yee! Kapun ka! Kapun ka!